6 common mistakes people make to reduce their car accident settlement value. The first mistake people tend to make is they'll tell the adjuster in answer to an adjuster's question. The adjuster says, "Hey, what range are you happy to settle your case in?" And the person will come back and say, "Oh, I would love to settle my case in this range." For example, if you say the range is $20,000 to $30,000, the claims adjuster is going to hear, "Oh, you're willing to settle your case for $20,000. They will ignore the $30,000 part, and then they're going to work to negotiate down from the $20,000 number. So you're better off not giving them a range, or if you are going to give them a range, make sure it's high because you know that the bottom number you tell them is what they're going to work down from. Now, the second mistake people often make is telling the claims adjuster, "Hey, I need money now." When the claims adjuster knows that you're desperate for money, they're going to give you a lower number because they know you're going to take pretty much anything they offer. So don't tell them that, even if it's true. The third thing is don't make an unrealistically high demand. If you're an offender bender, you get out, you get a few weeks of chiropractic, don't come to them and say, "Hey, I need $500,000 or we're going to trial." That's just going to stall the settlement process and make it take longer to get your case resolved. Number 4, sometimes people will tell a claims adjuster, "Hey, you know what? I don't want anything. I just want my medical bills paid." I mean, you can say that, but you're also entitled to compensation for pain and suffering, among other things. So why would you ignore that? Number 5, make sure your claims adjuster has all of your bills. You might be sitting here looking at 10 bills for a medical treatment you've received. Maybe the adjuster's only got 6 of them. So the adjuster is going to give you a number, and it's going to sound like a real lowball number compared to everything you have. Well, in this particular case, maybe they're not trying to lowball you. They just don't have all your information. So get them your medical records that says, who the doctor was that you saw and what the treatment was, and also get them the billing. And the billing will go to your insurance if you've got that, or if you paid out of pocket, it'll be from there so they can actually see what the number is. And so when they have the same records and bills that you have, then at least you know they're making you an offer based on complete information. And number 6, don't forget that a lot of times your medical bills need to get paid back. You may have hospitals, you may have insurance, somebody is billing you, and then somebody is paying that bill for you. Well, whoever paid that bill for you may very well want to get paid back out of the settlement. So if you're looking and you see you've got a $100,000 settlement, you think, "Oh, this is fantastic," but you've got $95,000 in medical bills, know that you're probably going to have to pay back a big chunk of those medical bills, so that settlement might be a little less interesting to you. Anyway, don't make these mistakes.